How much VRAM does RTX 5060 have? RTX 5060 GPU comes in three models, namely RTX 5060, RTX 5060 Ti 8GB, and RTX 5060 Ti 16GB. All these GPUs are based on the Blackwell architecture and provide excellent performance. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti and RTX 5060 GPUs are powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. This brings game-changing AI capabilities in the latest games and apps. This GPU is powerful and comes with high performance with NVIDIA DLSS 4. You will enjoy realistic graphics with ray tracing and take your creativity further with NVIDIA Studio. The RTX 5060 comes with 8GB of VRAM. RTX 5060 Ti comes in 8GB and 16GB variants. These GPUs are perfect to play modern games and in 4K settings. You need to have at least 750-watt power supply in your system to run these GPUs. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more tech videos.